Hello, science students. Today you will be taking your post-test on atom particles and the periodic table. So, the plan is this. You will be listening to me read the questions on Edpuzzle. There is a question at the end of Edpuzzle. It is a very simple question, but you need to watch this to the end. This is part of your test grade that you complete the video. Remember, you can use your notes on the test or any resources that we have created during the study of atom particles and the periodic table. This test might look familiar to you. Remember, we took a pre-test that was very similar, and this is the post-test. Pre-test means before you learn. Post-test means after you learn. Okay, so your job is to watch me in this video. I know, I'm everywhere, even on YouTube. And you can use your notes to find the answers to the questions. Maybe you've remembered all of these, which is great, but you have a set of notes to help you if you need to. After I read the question, you're going to want to pause the Edpuzzle so you can look for the answer if you need to. You will mark all your answers on your paper copy. If you have any questions, of course, you will raise your hand. Miss B and I are in the room to help you. And don't forget to answer the question at the end. It is worth a point towards your test. So, without any further delay, let's begin. Make sure your name, hour, and date is on this test. The date can be found at the front of the classroom on the whiteboard. Here we go. Number 1, electrons have a blank charge. A positive, B negative, C neutral. Number 2, protons have a blank charge. A positive, B negative, C neutral. 3, neutrons have a blank charge. A positive, B negative, C neutral. Number 4, what are the rows across the periodic table called? A periods, B groups, C metals. Here's a little picture to help with your memory. Number 5, blank are located in the shells of an atom. A protons, B neutrons, C electrons. Number 6, what two particles are located in the nucleus of an atom? A protons and neutrons, B electrons and neutrons, C protons and electrons. Science students, I hope you're hitting pause between each of these so you can find the answer if you need to. I'm not necessarily doing this super slow, so you can have time to look. You will need to hit pause between the questions to find the answers. Number 7, where is the nucleus of an atom located? A in the middle, B on the outside, C to the left. Number 8, in the picture, what does the number 6 represent? Here is your 6, right here. Is it A, the atomic number, B, the atomic mass, or C, symbol? Number 9, in the picture, what does the letter C represent? Here's the C that I'm speaking about. Is it A, the element name, B, the atomic mass, or C symbol? Number 10. In the picture, what does the number 12.011 represent? Here is 12.011. Is that the atomic number, the atomic mass, or the atomic symbol? Okay, number 11 through 16 on the third page. It says numbers 11 through 16, fill in the blank with the correct answer. Science students, on these blanks, you will write the correct answer. Your answer will be a number. Okay, number 11, number 12, and number 13. This is the picture that goes with these questions. Here we go. Number 11. How many protons does carbon have? Here is your carbon element. Number 12. How many electrons does carbon have? Here is your carbon element. For number 13, I would recommend you use your calculator. Number 13 says, how many neutrons does carbon have? Number 14. How many protons does lead have? Here's your picture of the element lead. Number 15. How many electrons does lead have? Here is your picture again. Number 16. How many neutrons does lead have? Again, I would recommend you using a calculator for number 16. Okay. That is the end of this test. Please make sure you answer the Edpuzzle question at the end and raise your hand quietly so Miss B and I can help you in class and let you know what you can do when you're done with the test. Thanks, guys. Bye.